All right, so my ARC microcurrent device just got here. Actually, they delivered it to my neighbor's house. Thank you, UPS. But I figured it out because I saw the UPS truck going by earlier. And I got to tell you, this is a really good day for it to have come because we have a weather front coming in and I'm not feeling great. This is the ArcEquine because, which I'm just going to try out because we can't get the ARC for Health here in the US yet because it hasn't been FDA approved, which takes some time and a lot of money. So, and I've heard from some other people that the ArcEquine is great for people to use as well. So here's the box here. And it says the microcurrent system for pain management and tissue repair, wearable, drug-free, non-invasive. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. So let's see what this little kid looks like. Booklet supports and aids the body's own natural healing process. So we've got directions and we've got an arm. I don't know what this is actually. I don't know. I'll figure it out though. Okay. This is a leg strap. This is conductive gel, which we need for any kind of microcurrent or like with the transcutaneous vagus nerve stimulation using a TENS machine or a Parasem. See, my brain doesn't work so well when I'm dealing with the weather stuff. And we got a plug to charge it up, which I'm gonna do right now. And electrode pads. Link. Okay, let's put this bad boy together, or gal, or they, them. The directions kind of could use some improvement. It's not very clear as to how to put it together. I wish they'd had some pictures in there, but I'm also feeling a little grumpy because I'm not feeling so well. So I also know that that might be flooring my thoughts about this. So it looks like this goes around the arm, or, you know, the horse's leg. Okay, so I'm assuming that this plugs in here. These are the electrodes. So these go in, I'm sure these little holes right there, they snap in. Since these are the conductive pads, I'm assuming that the gel needs to go on top of them where it's touching the skin. And then, let's see, well, this on. I'm just going to put it on. I think when I interviewed Dr. Tina Pierce, she said that she just has people wear it on their arm. So I guess that's what I'm going to do. It's just wearing my arm. All right. And the thing about this particular, all right, about this particular device is that you shouldn't feel it actually. Right there. And just so you know, I'm covering up my chest because I'm not wearing a bra. And this shirt is like super see-through, and I just can't be bothered right now to change because I don't want to move. So, okay, so let's, oh, yeah. So, just kind of assuming that this slides in here. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. It's flashing green right now. And then it goes over to the last setting that you use. So this is what they're calling P as in Peter 1, which is program 1, which you're supposed to use for the first week, I think. Y'all have no idea what's happening here. Okay, but let's give it a shot. Drop the song for me if this is a little. I'm not getting it tight right now. It's okay. Maybe I can tighten it. And it's flashing a green light in the P1 area. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm assuming that it's on. Well, that's okay. I'm just gonna let it hang out for right now. And I will show you again once I actually know what I'm doing. How about that?